welcome back to another vlog. This is gonna be a very casual and potentially a very short vlog, but we are here nonetheless. Hello, today we are in Vancouver. It's 4 p.m. We are actually here primarily for Sam's wedding, which I'm super excited about, but both Dan and I are from Vancouver. All of our friends are here, both of our families are here, so we've kind of just been here seeing all the fam, seeing our friends, and then we will be ending off the week at Sam's wedding, and we're super excited. I'm gonna sob like a baby, and I wanted to, today in particular, this evening, it's actually 4 p.m. I'm having another coffee because it's been we went to ride and we were just, you know, seeing friends and whatnot and just catching up. I haven't been vlogging any of that because it's, you know, special family time. But tonight I am doing a couple of things that I wanted to film for you guys. Sorry, I'm like so scatterbrained right now. I'm on a bit of a time crunch. Earlier in this year, I filmed the what I've had done or what I get done. Basically, I just did a whole video on all of the beauty procedures that I get done. And I had mentioned before that we lost the footage that we had meant to include in that video. So for today's vlog, and today I'm going to see Dr. PAVLOU and ARMINEH, my beautiful friend and hairstylist, and I wanted to kind of just update you guys. A lot of you have been asking me what I get done and where I go in Toronto, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm a loyal hoe. I am from Vancouver, therefore we come back and visit enough that I haven't felt the need to go anywhere else in Toronto. I'm still going to Dr. PAVLOU for all of my, you know, fun skin things, and I'm still seeing At Hair by ARMINEH here in Vancouver. So I have both of their appointments. I'm going to see Dr. PAVLOU right now, and then I'm going to go see ARMINEH to touch up my hair. Oh my god, we haven't done my hair in so long. It needs some maintenance and some love, so I figured I'd take you guys around, and that's why I'm turning the vlog on now. I'm going to bring you guys with me to my little beauty maintenance update, and then we'll probably vlog a little bit over the next couple days, and then I will film my like wedding guest get ready with me, which you guys have actually requested a lot in the past to do, like a what I wear to a wedding and how I do my makeup and whatnot. So I'm gonna film that. So it'll be a little bit of a vlog, a little bit of a beauty maintenance update. I just slicked my hair back in a bun because it was greasy from ride, and I actually, oh sorry, I need to put on my lip balm. Bite Beauty Agave lip balm. They sent a refill. Bite, thank you so much. I don't want to put too much makeup on because just in case I do some fun Botox things with Dr. PAVLOU, he's gonna have to wipe it off anyway. But I went to the mall with my friend Dima today and we poked around and I saw the new Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. So I'm not going to do a full review in this video, but I wanted to put it on right now just because I have some major red patches on my face, and I just figured that it would be the perfect time to kind of test it out a little bit. It's a super liquidy foundation. I got the shade Light Medium 10, which seems to be a really great shade match, but I'm just going to put it on now and see how it wears for the evening, and then I'll update you guys later on my full thoughts. It was $90 Canadian. Do I think that anyone needs to spend that on a foundation? Absolutely not. But you guys have been tweeting me and messaging me on Instagram asking me what my thoughts are. Initial thoughts, no one ever needs to spend that much on a foundation, but I love to see how luxury priced makeup performs. You know, if someone does indeed launch some magic, I want to know if it's gonna be magic on me too, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna test it out for you guys. I will be your guinea pig and let you know. Oh, honestly, that looks really freaking beautiful. I just rubbed that in really quick with my fingers. Ooh. All right, we'll see how this wears. I'm just gonna put that on. Really nice packaging. Look at that. Ew, fancy. And then I'm gonna take just some brow gel. This is the Beauty Counter Clear Brow Gel. Gonna set my brows in because that always helps a little bit when you're feeling a little lackluster. Just give the brows a little lift. I'm gonna put on some of the Chanel Warm Up Rouge Coco Flash, just for a little bit of color on my lips. And then I'm gonna take mascara, Tom Ford Badass Mascara. This, by the way, is sold out online on Sephora and in store. I went to I'm setting up some giveaways, and I went to pick some up to give away to you guys at a later date, and they're all sold out right now. I can't believe it. I'm like, did I do that? Just kidding. I know I didn't, but I'm like, damn it, I might need a refill pretty soon here too. Just a little touch. Every time I see Dr. PAVLOU, I'm always such a wet rat. I'm always such a nugget. So I wanted to just, you know, be somewhat attractive today. Try as I might. Okay, also, this t-shirt is fake. It is a fake t-shirt. I'm a fraud. I saw a while ago, Desi Perkins uploaded an Outfits of the Week or something video, and she mentioned these t-shirts. I think she had the long sleeve one, and then Neats on Raider was also wearing it on Instagram, and I was like, girl, where'd you get that? And she said Cole & Terry. It's a place called Cole & Terry Vintage. It's online. I ordered it in the cream because I honestly just love this color, and I've been wanting just some nice oversized t-shirts. And I think it's pretty freaking cute. I don't know how they're legally allowed to do this, but I'll link the website down below. I bought this in a dark gray one. Yes, it was still an overpriced cotton t-shirt. It was $50 US plus shipping plus duties when it got there. They basically ended up being $100 Canadian each, which was absolutely insane. But since my tragic Gucci cotton t-shirt moment, I have learned my lesson, and I will I'm gonna live in these fake, these fraudulent t-shirts instead of spending $700 on a t-shirt. So there we go. So let us head off to Dr. PAVLOU and ARMINEH and get beautiful. So I'm here at Skin Technique with Dr. PAVLOU. He just did a little touch up. We had some, he's making me beautiful.
Well, you are very beautiful, but I think little tweakments at a young age are the best way to go about preventing issues rather than having to treat them. Yeah. Once a problem occurs, it's way more difficult to correct it. Yeah. So start young.
Yeah. And I think the one thing that I love the most about Dr. PAVLOU is he's very honest, bluntly so, with what you should and shouldn't do. He's very honest, and then no one ever knows I have my lips done unless I tell them. So I think that's amazing.
Yeah, I think the natural look works the best for me. I don't want my patients walking around looking unnatural, and I think the best treatment is a treatment where you look good and you're not really sure why.
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. Well, you look beautiful and you're not really sure why.
Thank you. Yeah, he's the best, you guys. I'll link all his info in the description box down below. Dr. PAVLOU, thank you, boys.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Okay, listen, we made it to Moods. And then we're using this. ARMINEH. I'm taking over. Add hair by ARMINEH. Take the lead. Woman, okay, here's the before. Dark, all grow out. Dead ponytail bit. Dead fried. That's what happens when you go to ride every day. Alright guys, so she's gonna fix me up and we'll show you the after. Add hair by ARMINEH on Instagram. Yeah. Weirder version of the bag. Yes. Heaven. Rubbing it in the toner. Rubbing the offering. I look like the moon. I'm orbiting around you. Yes. Not really. So fresh and so clean. Hashtag selfie. Healthy. It's so soft. My hair hasn't been this brown in years. Hey? Wow. I need a tan now. Oh my god, that was so fast. How did you do that so fast? Did you guys witness that? It's like really soft ways. I need to practice this with the flat iron. Oh wait, that's the Cloud 9. Oh, wow. So my ends were so dead, so she chopped off significant length because we're trying to grow and get it back to health from the bleached death of last year, which was fun. That lasted.
This looks better though.
healthier. ARMINEH, bring me back to life. Alright guys, this is the after. Are you ready? So pretty. We had a little entourage there. That was awkward. They laughed at me. I'm embarrassed. But at least I look fabulous. You do. Thank you, at Hair by ARMINEH. If you see his fingers will stick, I'm like, hello, friends. Coming at you from the future. We're back home now. We got back from Vancouver a couple of days ago, and I forgot to film an outro, so here we are. So as you guys saw, I went and saw Dr. PAVLOU, went and saw at Hair by ARMINEH, and got all touched up. Listen, my hair's been a bun today, but the color she did is fantastic. I don't know the details of the color that she uses. You'll have to check out her Instagram for that, at Hair by ARMINEH. But we basically just been trying to bring the natural brown throughout. She did a little touch up on some face shaping highlights here, and then just chopped off as much of the dead ends as possible to freshen it up a bit. We're trying to grow my hair, so she didn't want to take too much length off, but she said I need to get some more regular trims to keep it healthy. So that was the little hair update. I'll link all her stuff below if you guys wanted to check her out. I love her so much. She's so good. So good. And then at Dr. PAVLOU, I had recently seen him in April, and he did my lips in April, did a little touch up there, and then this time, it's way too soon. I get my lips done like every year or so. Maybe like every 6 months if I'm feeling fresh. It's just as it dissolves, because it all dissolves in your body. It's not a permanent dealio. So yeah, didn't touch anything on the lips, but he did do a little bit of juicing in my forehead, so if my forehead looks extra smooth, that is what we did. It took approximately 10 seconds, and we were in there really quick. But just some, you know, preventative measures in my forehead, and giving myself a little bit of a lifty lift in the eyebrows. Nothing too crazy, nothing too snazzy. No one has to do anything. It's totally at your own discretion what you choose to do with your face. So that's a little beauty update. Got a touch up here, got a hair touch up, and that was all we did in Vancouver. I actually took my nails off. I'm gonna give them a little break because we are leaving on Monday for Spain. Woo! More on that later. You guys will be seeing a bunch of pre-filmed videos because we don't want to miss an upload while we are traveling in Europe. My birthday's on Sunday. We leave on Monday. Dan's going to Montreal. Lots of things, guys. Lots of stuff going on. We're trying to catch up. But that's a little bit of a beauty maintenance update. Everything I have mentioned I will list in the description box down below. You guys will be seeing Fenty foundation review on Friday. Following that, we will post the wedding guest get ready with me, which I did film the day of beautiful Samantha's wedding. So those are the next couple videos coming up. That's all for now, folks. See you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.